नमस्कार दोस्तों। So for class 7 is practice book compound sentence worksheet 6. Let us read the following news. Underline the compound sentences. British drivers and mobile phones. British drivers are the safest and most polite in Europe. So the first is the compound sentence because there are two ideas and is used, so it is compound sentence. Just 1 in 10 London drivers does not stop at red lights, and 9 in 10 obey parking laws. This is also a compound sentence. Mobile phones are fast becoming a necessity. Now this is not a compound sentence, so we will not underline it. They are no doubt very helpful but may prove to be a problem on the road. This is again compound sentence, so underline it. Many drivers using mobile phones have smashed into the car in front. So let's see that it is also not a compound sentence. The traffic police have been working hard to find a solution, but now look, this is also a compound sentence. It seems impossible to convince drivers not to carry or use mobile phones while driving. It is also a compound sentence because or has been used to connect two ideas. One solution brings some hope. Drivers do not use mobile phones at all or pay a fine of 50 rupees pound each time they are seen using a mobile phone while driving. This is also a compound sentence. So let's move. Now worksheet 7, get into groups of 3. Read the following headings, select any one of them, discuss it among yourselves. Now let's see, here are a bunch of topics. You have to write an article over it. So first is homework should be abolished, यानी homework को स्कूल से हटा दिया जाना चाहिए because it gives unnecessary trouble to students and a workload to students, which is causing a lot of problem. So you can write in favor of homework should be abolished. Now all the schools should have a 5-day week. It is also a plus point for students that if there is 5-day classes in a week, then there will be 2-day holiday or leave. So it is also a good idea for the students. So you can write also in favor of this. Children should be admitted only to neighborhood schools. It is also a plus point, a positive thing for students, a convenient thing for students and children, because sometimes what happens that students living near a good school is not admitted in that school because the school take hard test and ask for good percentage in the previous classes, like that. So if there is rule, children should be admitted only to neighborhood schools, then it will be good. So you can write in favor of this. Now an ideal school's student. So every student be an ideal to the school. So what type and what qualities should be in a good student, you can write in this article. So here is the space for you to write, and you can write. Now individually write an article on the topic selected by you using a mixture of simple and compound sentence. You can use simple and compound sentence very skillfully. Okay, now let's move to worksheet 8. Very easy exercise. Put commas in the following sentences. One has been done as an example. Raman cooked the meal. Here is comma, and Ronnie washed the dishes. Now second, Manika went to see the film. Here film after film there will be comma will be used, and Silpa went to play basketball. Now help me clean up the bedroom, comma, or I will tell mom के बाद आप comma लगा सकते हैं, comma, you made the mess. Radhika loves computers, comma, and she has got a job as a computer artist. The coach told me to practice every day, comma, or he would drop me from the team. If your friend calls, should I give, comma, यहाँ calls के बाद, if your friend calls, comma, should I give him your message, comma, or should I ask him to come again? Now he wants to read, comma, but he has misplaced his spectacles. Now you see that how comma is put. So thank you for today. Tomorrow we will do it yourself exercise. Thank you.